Reflecting on the good, the bad, and sometimes the ugly can make your tasks just that much more manageable. And your iPhone can be a big help. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter when you're there. A shortcut on your phone called Reflect on the Day asks you 5 questions to review your day and then set goals for tomorrow. It then stores your answers in the Notes app so you can review how you've been doing across a week, a month, or even the year. The last 2 questions set reminders for the following day. Here is how to set it up. First, swipe down on the top of your phone screen and search Shortcuts. Open the Shortcuts app and navigate to your gallery on the bottom right of your screen. Here's where you're going to search Reflect and then add by tapping on Reflect on the Day, then tap Add Shortcut. Now that it's added, use Siri to open the shortcut. Say out loud, "Hey Siri, reflect on the day." Then answer the prompts. That's all there is to it. Other amazing quick tips at my site. Are you getting my newsletter? Just click the little red button at cyberguy.com.